Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this, we will learn recycle use of water in efficient way. But first of all, tell me, did you recycle water? If yes, then write in comment box and also write how did you do this. Now let's get started. To know use of recycled water, firstly we should know what is recycled water or reclaimed water. Water reclamation is the process of converting wastewater into water that can be reused for other purposes. How can water be recycled? There are many ways to do this. Using a shower bucket. A lot of water is unintentionally wasted when we turn on the shower. Next time you are turning on the shower, place an empty bucket below to collect the water that drips down. Creating a rain garden. A rain garden is a constructed area which collects rainwater from roofs, pipes and driveways, etc. During monsoon, a large quantity of rainwater is wasted as most houses do not use any rainwater collection mechanism installed and is lost in drains. Collecting overflowing water from plants. You must have noticed how some water flows down drainage holes at the bottom of pots. Instead of letting the excess water go to the waste, you can collect it and reuse it to water your plants. Install a rail barrel. Usually when it rails, the water moves directly to our sewage system. This is so much chemical-free, clean water that one could put to good use. Now we will discuss on efficient use of recycled water. Landscape irrigation, fire suspension, industrial processes, dust control on construction site, wetland restoration, toilet flushing, groundwater recharge, recreational water bodies. Agriculture. Water plays a fundamental role in agriculture as it's one of the key ingredients to a successful crop. However, there are often challenges that prevent farmers from watering their crops with typical water resources. Drought, for example, requires strict water preservation efforts in order to use that what water is available for high priority applications. Industrial cooling. Most industrial machinery become exceptionally hot when it's used, and a cooling agent is usually required to help keep this heat from damaging the machine. That's where per the EPA, recycled wastewater comes into the play. The water travels through a cooling system which is absorbed heat created by machinery and directs it elsewhere where it won't cause damage. Concrete mixing. The creation of concrete requires a great deal of water, no matter how it's formulated. Some projects call for high strength concrete which requires less water, while other demands concrete that's less stiff and therefore easier to work with. This involves increased water usage. Fortunately, studies suggest that treated wastewater is just as effective in concrete creation as distilled water, which marks one more area where recycled water can aid in conservation effects. After seeing various uses of recycled water, we should save this as much as possible. Start recycling water today. Thank you.